Hello students, today we are going to start part 3 of Unit 2, Data Entry and Keyboarding Skills. In the last two videos, we have learned about the input devices, mouse and keyboard, which are used for different work on the computer. Basically, the device which is used for typing is the keyboard, and we have learned about the various keys which are used for different work. Today we are going to learn a software which helps us in improving our efficiency in typing. So the name of the software is Rapid Typing Tutor and this is its logo. Now this is a free and open source software which is designed to learn typing skills on the computer. रैपिड टाइपिंग ट्यूटर आपका एक ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर है जिसे आप इजीली इंटरनेट से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं एंड यू डोंट हैव टू पे एनीथिंग फॉर इट. एंड सेकेंड थिंग इज इट इज़ ओपन सोर्स सॉफ्टवेयर विच मीन्स दैट यू डोंट नीड एनी लाइसेंस टू डाउनलोड इट. Second is it helps to improve the typing speed and accuracy. Third point is it can be easily used by kids and adults to learn typing with its easy interface. Rapid Typing Tutor की हेल्प से kids and adults easily टाइपिंग करना सीख सकते हैं बिकॉज इसका जो इंटरफेस है बहुत यूज़र फ्रेंडली है. आपको easily पता लग जाएगा कि कौन सी इंस्ट्रक्शन आपसे क्या काम करवाना चाहती है. नेक्स्ट इज इट कैन बी easily downloaded from www.rapidtyping.com. This is the website from where you can download this software. And next is with its help you can be efficient in touch typing. इस सॉफ्टवेयर की हेल्प से आप अच्छे से टाइप कर पाएंगे. मीन्स आपको इस तरह से टाइपिंग करनी है कि आपको कीबोर्ड को ना देखना पड़े, लेकिन वो बिल्कुल एकदम से नहीं आएंगे आपको. स्टार्टिंग में यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस फॉर दैट वन एंड स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली व्हेन यू विल लर्न ऑल द कीज, द पोजीशन ऑफ ऑल द कीज, देन योर फिंगर्स विल ऑटोमेटिकली हिट the right keys by the habit. Next is when we start this software, so this software has different courses available. First is the stage 1, that is the introduction and the beginner course. सबसे पहले जब आप इस सॉफ्टवेयर को स्टार्ट करते हैं तो आपके जो हैंड्स हैं उनकी फिंगर्स की पोजीशन कीबोर्ड की होम रोज पे होनी चाहिए. और लास्ट वीडियो में हमने पढ़ा था कि व्हाट आर द होम कीज. वो रो जहाँ से आपकी कैप्स लॉक की स्टार्ट होती है उस रो से आपको स्टार्ट करना है. ASDFJKL सेमीकोलन. देन उससे ऊपर की रोज एंड उससे लोअर रोज you should know. Then you should know the number rows and the special symbols like @ hash etc. Then stage 2 comes is the experienced course. जब आपको सारे लेटर्स, नंबर्स और सिंबल्स की पोजीशन पता लग जाए तो सेकंड कोर्स है आपका एक्सपीरियंस कोर्स, जिसके अंदर आप उन वर्ड्स को याद रखेंगे जो आपके बहुत बार यूज़ हो रहे हैं या उन सिलेबल्स को याद रखेंगे. सिलेबल्स मीन्स ऐसे वर्ड्स जिनके अंदर वोवल साउंड आती है. लाइक इफ़ आई से मैट, तो मैट के अंदर वोवल साउंड एक ही आ रही है तो इट हैज़ 1 सिलेबल. बट इफ़ आई से मैट्रेस तो उस केस में आपकी 2 साउंड आ रही है, ए में और ई की साउंड, तो उसके अंदर आपके 2 सिलेबल्स हो गए. तो ऐसे वर्ड्स जो आपके फ्रिक्वेंटली यूज कर होते हैं दैट यू कैन लर्न. थर्ड इज एडवांस्ड कोर्स. इन दिस लर्न करने के बाद अब आपको अपने स्किल्स को एक्वायर करने के लिए यू नीड टू टाइप द एक्चुअल टेक्स्ट. एंड द लास्ट स्टेज इज द टेस्टिंग कोर्स कि वहाँ पे आप चेक करेंगे कि आपके स्किल्स कितने इम्प्रूव हुए. द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज this, when you will open the software, its screen will look something like this. First of all, you have to open any web browser like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox and type in the search box Rapid Typing Tutor and press the enter key. After this, a screen will appear, so you have to click on the first link, that is download typing tutor. It will open the website of Rapid Typing software. Now move the page a little down and here you can see the setup for Windows. One is for the 64-bit processor, other is for the 32-bit processor. Download according to the properties of your computer, and below you can see the setup is getting downloaded. As soon as the downloading of this setup will be complete, you have to click on this arrow and then you have to click on the open option. And then there 2-3 dialog boxes will come. Click on next option every time and at last finish option. Since this software is already on my computer, so I have kept it on the desktop screen. This is the logo of the software. Double click on its icon to open it. This is the full interface. First is the title bar, which shows the name and the version of the software, that is Rapid Typing 5.3. At the right side we have 3 control buttons: minimize, restore or maximize, and close. This is the options button, which has various options for keyboard, background, font, sound, themes, etc. At the last we have log out or exit button to come out of the software. If we click on the keyboards option, it will display this type of dialog box. We can choose from here Windows or Mac. If you have the Mac operating system, you can choose Mac. Here we are having Windows, so we have chosen Windows. Here is the finger placement scheme, that is you want 2 hands or only left hand or only right hand. So you can choose from here, but I would suggest you to type with both the hands. Then we have is the colors option. If we want to change the color of the keyboard, we can choose any color from here and make the keyboard look a little different from the previous one. After making the changes, remember to click on the OK button. Here also we have 3 buttons. First is the current lesson, that is the lesson on which we are working. Second is the student statistics. It shows us the name of the student and the performance of the student in speed, words per minute, and keystrokes per minute. It is blank currently because we have not completed any lesson. This is the lesson editor, which shows us the different courses. Every course has different parts and every part has different lessons. You can choose any one of them and you can start typing or add or delete a lesson. So we have learned here 3 things: current lesson, student statistics, and lesson editor. Below this we have this bar called the lesson control panel. The first is to select the course. We have 2 courses here, introduction and beginner. They are shown here in English and Hindi. Then we have this option for the lesson. Here if we take introduction course and we choose any lesson from here, so we can start typing practice from this side. Suppose here we select shift keys and lesson 1, so it will shows us this lesson F, J, D, then small d. If we take beginner course and then we choose again the shift keys and then lesson 1, so the content will get different. So this is our course, this is our lesson, and this is our current speed of the lesson. This is the accuracy, and this is the arrow to start or pause the lesson. This shows us the current time, that is the remaining time in this lesson or the elapsed time, whatever option you have selected. And this is the arrow to restart the lesson. Now this area is known as the background, and the text which is being typed here, this is the text panel area, which shows you whatever you have typed. Below this there is a bar which shows us some instruction. The fingers where should be kept when you start typing. This is the sound button, which help us to increase or decrease the sound. And then we have this keyboard, which helps us to tell what should be the position of the fingers on any of the keys. Like if we start typing this lesson, then first we have to type the letter F. So it is showing you that left index finger should be on the letter F and right index finger should be on the shift key. So this is the way you have to start typing. And when you press the F from your computer keyboard, if you type it correctly, then it will be shown with the green color, but if you type it wrong, then it will be shown with the red color as it is shown now. Then you have to practice this, like you have typed here F, F, J, J, then you have to give a little space, and you can see here on the spacebar key both the thumbs are there. You can press any of them for the space. I hope you have understood it. So here are the definitions of the various parts of the rapid typing tutor which we have learned just now. First is the title bar, which shows us the name of the software and its version. To the right side of the title bar, we have the three control buttons: minimize, maximize, and close. And also there is an options button near them which has the different options to change the keyboard layout or the background layout. At the left side, there are three buttons which are current lesson, student statistics, and lesson editor. Current lesson shows us the lesson on which we are working. Student statistics shows the performance of a particular student, and lesson editor has the option to add or delete lessons. Below that, we have the lesson control panel which shows us the various courses, lessons, and there is an arrow to pause or resume the current lesson. Near to that, there is an option which shows us the timing, that is, it can be the remaining time to complete the current lesson or the time which has been covered while working in the current lesson. Below that, we have is the text panel, that is the area where the text is to be displayed. It can be letters, numbers, digits, words, anything. And keyboard, which is shown on the keyboard, is a virtual keyboard which helps to learn touch typing with all the 10 fingers. When we type from our computer keyboard, it shows us the fingers which we have to put on the various keys on our keyboard. So it helps us in learning typing by specifying the current position of the fingers. Next we have is the color indication. Whenever we complete a lesson, the result window is displayed like this. On the title bar, you can see here results is written. So it denotes the result in the form of 4 colors: green, yellow, orange, and red. Green color denotes the right inputs, that is whatever you have typed is right, that is a good result. Yellow color denotes that whatever you have typed is right but you have exceeded the given time. When we type the data rightly but the time which was given to it has been exceeded, then it shows the result in the yellow color. Red color denotes the wrong inputs within the given time frame. That is, the work was completed within the given time but the accuracy was not there. That is, we have done some mistakes in that. And the last is the orange color, which indicates the wrong inputs that also exceeded the given time frame. So it is the worst result, as we have not typed correctly, as well as the time which was allotted, that has also been exceeded. Next we have is the student statistics screen. When a student completes the lessons, then if you want to see the statistics, that is the performance of that student, so you can see from the student statistics option. So suppose here there is group 1 and there are number of students in one group. Here student 1 is selected. So this screen is showing us the performance of that particular student. It is showing us the accuracy of the student, and here the speed is 58 WPM. WPM stands for words per minute, means how many words can be typed in 1 minute. Similarly, this is the CPM, which stands for characters per minute, means how many characters have been typed in 1 minute. Now, based upon all the topics which we have covered today, there is an assignment. The first question says, explain the features of the Rapid Typing Tutor software. That is, what is this software all about, how it helps, whom it can help, from which website it can be downloaded. At least 5 features you have to write down. Second question says, explain the various courses available in Rapid Typing. That is the Introduction and Beginners course, Experienced, Advanced, and the last one is the Testing course. You have to explain them all. The third question is, explain the various parts of the Typing Tutor interface. So we have learned the various parts, that is the title bar, text panel, that you have to explain. And the last question is, what do green, yellow, red and orange color depict in a statistic screen? So I hope you can do all the questions based on this video. If any doubt is there, you can ask. Thank you so much.